Good morning, learners. Welcome to Business Study class. My name still remains Mr. Korede, and today we'll be looking at monitoring and control of chemicals. Please come with me as we look at the learning objectives for this lesson. The learning objectives for this lesson, the student should be able to know at the end of this lesson to understand why chemical and monitoring matters for protecting women's health, environment, and to ensure workplace and safety, and to identify the key method used in monitoring chemical that includes sample testing and sensor. Please come with me as we look why chemical is very important. Why chemical is very important? Number one, e need to protect the environment. When chemical is released into the soil or water or air, it can cause pollution. Number two, to protect humans' health from chemical to prevent accidents and sickness. Number three, they need to ensure that they follow the rules and regulation that guides the chemical pollution in the society at large. What chemical needs to control? We have toxic chemical cause poison or illness. And we have a flammable chemical. It's easy to catch fire like kerosene, like petrol and gas. And we have a corrosive chemical that burns skin or damage skin when like bleach, etc. And we also have the pesticide fertilizer that is commonly used for agriculture, in gardening and in farming. And these are the words chemical needs to be controlled to prevent environment harmful. Now, monitoring methods. Number one, soil testing. Analyze soil sample and detect the present harmful of the chemical or pollution. Water testing. Perform laboratory tests to assign water source from chemical contamination. Then we have sensor technology. It's used as a real-time to monitor device that detect chemical level instantly. Control techniques for monitoring chemical. Number one, you need to have a spin response and training that every chemical user must have a regular training program that keep everyone prepared and aware of safety procedure. And number two, every chemical user must always wear what is called glove, Google Glass, and lab coats and boots in order to ensure they have a safety measure at regular inspection, and to ensure that every workspace have their equipment. And number three, for a proper storage and labeling. Every chemical user must have a storage whereby they have a proper labeling of chemicals and proper storage in order to avoid chemical spillage and chemical accidents. Challenges in monitoring chemical control. High cost of equipment monitoring device like sensor device and safety can be expensive for some organization to get. Lack of skilled workers. Some workers may not have the trained staffs or trained people to handle or to monitor chemical properly. Then we have poor maintenance. When the equipment is not well maintained, it may stop working and it may lead to irregular chemical and monitoring. Now let's look at before and after impact of good control of chemical. Before, there should be hot score or a frequency chemical that spin or leak, or safety working environment at health problem for workers and users, fire outbreak or accident. All these can bring about when there's a poor control of chemical we can have all of this. And after is when we have safety, clean work environment, and full regulatory compliance. All these are what we have after that bring about effect way of controlling chemical and also protecting employees' health, like ensure that every employees have what's called have a safety measure, like wearing their glass, wearing their safety boots, wearing their lab coat and glove. All these are what can keep them in terms of when a chemical is spilled or when there's an accident of chemical in the laboratory. In conclusion, a proper monitoring and control of chemical it can lead to protect human health and environment from harmful exposure or accident. And they need to create awareness, like creating awareness to the community, keeping data from errors and all other equipment to ensure the help and to improve the outcome of chemical safety. Assignments. Identify a chemical in your community and describe its monitoring and control. Identify a chemical in your community and describe its monitoring and control. Please do your assignment inside your business study notebook, and this assignment must be done on before our next class. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for learning with me. My name still remains Mr. Korede, and see you. Have a nice day. Bye.